Would you dare walk on ice? This clear? It's like walking on glass. This is Lake Baikal in Siberia. And yes, that's real solid ice beneath their feet. Lake Baikal is the deepest and oldest freshwater lake on Earth. Every winter, temperatures drop so low that the entire surface freezes into crystal clear ice. You can see fish, rocks, even cracks, all below your feet. The ice is so pure it refracts light like glass. But don't be fooled. It's up to 1 meter thick. Some people skate, drive, or even camp on it, while seeing everything underneath. Would you walk across 5 feet of invisible ice, or nope? Comment below and follow for more nature that doesn't feel real.